Welcome! In front of me I have MOBVOI TicWatch C2+, and I'm gonna show you how to change the time and date on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the upper and the lower buttons. Once you wake up the screen, you can press the upper button to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu and find the settings icon. And once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, let's scroll down and find the option called the system. Here, find the option called date and time and tap on it. And right here, we can change the date and time on our watch, but first we need to turn off the automatic date and time. So you need to disable it by tapping on the switch. And once you disable automatic date and time, you can scroll down and you will see set date and set time options. You can tap on set date, for example. Here we can change the date. We can change the month, then swipe left, change the day, then swipe left, change the year, and then swipe left and tap on the arrow to confirm. And then we have the time. We can change the hours, minutes, and the confirm. You can also change the time zone if you want to, but first you need to turn off the automatic time zone. Tap on the set time zone and select the one from the list. For example, Mexico. And once you're done changing the time and date, you can press the upper button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the time and date on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.